Hey guys, I've created this video to help you all learn how to do a parallel toss. The videos have been slowed for learning purposes, but it'll all come together at full speed at the end so you can see how the parallel toss is completed. There are breaks throughout so that you can practice on your own. I hope this video helps. So we're going to start in flat with our left hand under and our right hand over. Make sure we're nice and flat with our arms boxed out, nice strong here. This is what the toss will look like, but first we're going to learn about the checkpoint. We want to make sure we hit a nice flat position above the head where the left hand is behind the head and the right hand is in front. Take a nice smooth pathway and stay right in this parallel plane here so that we can achieve that parallel shape as it goes out into the air. Put the flag down and try this without a flag. Make sure our hands are in the correct positions. Your left hand is going to control how much spin the toss has by pushing the flag back behind your head, and your right hand is going to push the flag up and give the toss that height. Pick the flag back up and try it again. Hit that flat position above the head. You may want to do this in front of a mirror to make sure you're not angled and you're nice and flat here. Really get comfortable with this and do this over and over again, and start to speed it up so you can get comfortable with that. Let's take a moment so you can strictly practice the checkpoint. Don't worry about tossing now, just take this time to practice getting to your release point and getting comfortable. Now that you've practiced the release point, let's try the toss. But first, check out this video that I've slowed down of the toss. Watch where my hands start. Always make sure you're starting from the right position so that you're not building bad habits. And then see how my hand comes behind my head into my release point to make sure my flag stays nice and flat as it rotates around. Also notice how I catch my flag. I catch right back at that same flat position right as I started. Now let's see the toss at full speed. Again, make sure you're checking your starting point so that we're building good habits here. And that's it. If you find that you're having trouble completing the toss, go back to the beginning of the video and really practice that checkpoint of the release. And also make sure you're hitting the right channel and pathway as you go up into the release point. Nice and flat, and don't cut through. Parallel tosses can feel really scary because it's a toss that is directly above your head, but I promise if you follow the pathways and you hit your checkpoint, you will be absolutely fine. Just practice, 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 and I promise you're going to get this toss in no time.